we're going to Google WBAN, Cybersecurity Architecture. And we're going to click on the images. What do we see here? We are looking at a 3-tier wireless body area network architecture, which has your body, a bunch of sensors inside and outside your body, transmitting data to the second tier, which is your phone, your laptop, another human body, as it says right here, other WBAN, and then it's transmitting that data to tier 3, which is the internet. Now let's look at another image. And again, we have the human body, a device, and an end user. It seems that no matter which image I pull up, you can see a human body with sensors in and around the human body, a second tier, which is your mobile device, a laptop, fitness tracker, wireless headphones, or can even be another human body, which is collecting all this data from inside of you and sending it to an end user. And our end users are who? Telemedicine server, game servers, medical and emergency servers, ambulance, and obviously your doctor. We need to be honest about these systems, who they belong to, and who the end user is of all these systems, like the WBAN for our healthcare. Right here, this is your intra-band. That's your nano communication and your cyber bio nano interface. This is your inter-band, which is you plus another device or another human body.
You're not going to like this, but it's the truth from the advantage point of cybersecurity. You literally have no access to your biosensors, and you have no way of discerning by database who is it that is looking through your bone and tissue, maybe even through the eyeballs in your face. This is the problem, because it could be your cell phone, it could be your iPad, could be a tablet, could be your TV, could be your smart meter, it could be another human body, it could be anything. That makes it interbody area network, and it could be another body area network.
So we have cybersecurity and computer networking through human bodies, and we've had it since 1995. We're going to go over here and read a comprehensive review of wireless body area network. Recent development and advancement of information and communication technologies facilitate people in different dimensions of life. Most importantly, in the healthcare industry, this has become more and more involved with the information and communication technology-based services. One of the most important services is monitoring of remote patients that enables the healthcare providers to observe, diagnose, and prescribe the patients without being physically present. The advantage of miniaturization of sensor technologies gives the flexibility of installing in, on, or off the body of patients, which is capable of forwarding physiological data wirelessly to remote servers. Such technology is named Wireless Body Area Network, WBAN. In this paper, WBAN Architecture, Communication Technologies for WBAN, Challenges, and different aspects of WBAN are illustrated. This paper also describes the architectural limitations of existing WBAN communication frameworks. So once again, the WBAN already exists and is already in use. Furthermore, implementation requirements are presented based on the IEEE 802.15.6 standard. We covered 802.15.6 in episode 15. These are your wireless sensor networks. Finally, as a source of motivation towards future developments of research, incorporating software-defined networking, energy harvesting, and blockchain technology into WBAN are also provided. Let's take a quick minute to look at the image. So here you have M2M, which is machine to machine, or deep learning, means There is no human in between. The red dots on the inside are your biosensors. And right here it says IEEE 802.15.6, which is your body itself. Service capabilities are more databases. Now let's go back to the article and continue reading. The limitations of current WBAN architecture have been identified, which includes the issues of management complexities, vendor dependencies, static WBAN, network reconfiguration, resource utilization, and security. Moreover, a taxonomy is presented on the basis of various medical and non-medical applications of WBAN projects. A comprehensive overview, in particular, important characteristics of the candidate technologies for WBAN, and a special focus on the latest WBAN standard, IEEE 802.15.6, has been presented to provide a deep technical overview of the state-of-the-art technologies in WBANs. In addition, an in-depth analysis on different implementation challenges and related works to address existing challenges has been critically examined. A future research direction involving software-defined networking-based WBAN to deal with management complexities and security issues has been presented in this paper. In addition, the impacts of integrating blockchain and energy harvesting technologies into WBAN to enhance energy efficiency and security have been investigated, and critical challenges in implementing these emerging technologies to WBAN have also been identified. Now, what do you see here? This is cybersecurity inside the human body.
We really need people to pick up that educational gap and help folks understand that these are jobs, that people have to regulate the frequency in your body because you're not allowed to feel your own skin. And they are not going to allow that. That's not part of the plan. The plan is once you're in your cognitive city, the AI will be talking to you and you will be talking to AI. We really need to get the ball rolling here and educate others, help them understand what's going on here and how it's affecting us. These systems are causing repeated inflammatory responses and subsuming your immune system to uncouple, download, upload anything they want electromagnetically into your cells. Every time DARPA deploys a gradient wave, you suffer with pain. This is utter piezoelectric molecular control. To the bone marrow and wireless tissue engineering. This is autonomous and mapped via the telemetry of your biofield. This was built by taking away fundamental and ancient knowledge from our sciences like biofield, frequency, oscillation, cymatics, optics, radionics, and plasma from us. There is no longer free will if they have you monitored constantly, because if you make a decision they do not approve of, they can log in and change your cell state, lock you in a feeder grid, smart city, use electrofog or smart dust to get the desired results, or bioelectromagnetically elicit a desired outcome. They use chaos and changeable dynamics across the energy spectrum using random matrix theory math. They already know what you will do before you do it. They can also use perturbation of your cells with sound using fractals to vibrate you somatically. Your kill box expands to the next kill box, and so on a worldwide decision prison. It's a scalar function controlling gravity and time. Graphene is magnetic, and they store it in the imprint of the atmosphere in the obium crystal.